Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of my weight loss journey. Dile hi, Shushi. So today's Monday. I know that I usually start my vlogs after weigh-in day, Fridays, but as you guys saw in the last vlog, I was super sick all week. I didn't do keto all week last week. And this weekend, I don't know what got into me, but my motivation went out the window and I just decided to binge. I binge ate all weekend long. Like up until last night at like 9 o'clock at night, I was eating that new Breyers Oreo chocolate chips Ahoy ice cream. Yeah, 2 servings of that. That was me. I know it's super bad and this is like super like not motivational at all, but I feel like I needed that. Like I was going so hard and I was just like, I needed to just shock myself. I don't know. But now I'm super motivated. It's Monday and we're gonna kick off the vlog on a good note. So I just went to Starbucks and I want to show you guys a little tip that I learned. I actually learned it, there was this girl on YouTube. I don't remember her name. Like I don't even subscribe to her, but her video came up on my like suggested and it was like, how to get your drinks for $2 at Starbucks. If I find the video, I'll link it down below. But I saw her video and she ends up getting a vanilla iced latte, right? I always usually get just an iced latte, not vanilla. So what she did was, I think instead of getting like a vanilla iced latte, she got like an iced espresso and she added a pump of vanilla, and then she went to the counter and added the milk herself because Starbucks does have milk at the counter. So I was like, wow, that's a really good idea. But I don't drink whole milk in my coffee anymore or skim milk at all. I like coconut milk and Starbucks doesn't have that on the counter. So I went on the app and I was like, what if I get a iced espresso, 4 shots, because that's always what I get, and add coconut milk, like tell them to add coconut milk. So I went on the app, I customized my order. I got an iced espresso, 4 shots, extra ice in a venti cup, and I told them to add an extra, because the option is like a splash of whatever milk you want, but I added like an extra splash of coconut milk, and it came out to $3.19 with tax and everything. Usually my drink is like $6 something, almost $7 is my drink, because I always get an iced latte, extra shot, extra ice, add coconut milk, and all of that are upcharges except for the extra ice. I don't think that's an upcharge, but like the extra shots and the extra and the coconut milk, the substitution of coconut milk, it turns out to $3 more than what the actual latte is, because it's like $1.50 for coconut milk and like $1 something for the shot. So I'm getting my drink half price and it's freaking amazing. It tastes bomb. No sugar added right here. It's amazing. There's no sugar added. Like I think the coconut milk that they serve at Starbucks does have sugar. It's like sweetened, but it's probably about like 7 grams for 8 ounces. So technically it's not that bad. I usually put 1 scoop of brown sugar anyways in my coffee, and that's 5 or 4 grams of sugar, more or less. So it's really not that bad. And I'm getting it for half off. It's freaking amazing. I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna make myself an egg salad. I am starting hardcore on my diet again. I am going to make you guys proud, I promise. So I'm gonna do some egg salad, chill for a little bit, and perhaps work out. I have to work out. We need to get back to 172. I know you guys saw in my last vlog, I went down to 172 after I had my like stomach issue, but I literally went right back up. I gained that pound right back as soon as my body got adjusted. So we need to work on getting down to a permanent 172. Well, not permanent, but like a stable 172. guys, so it is like almost 10 o'clock at night right now, and I had dinner super late, like around 9:30, 9:45, because I was at a funeral and whatnot, so I didn't have a chance to cook my food before going. But I really liked those noodles. I don't know how to pronounce them, but I'll insert like a little picture of the noodles here. They're like shirataki noodles or something like that. They're super good. The way I had them with like soy sauce, kind of like a lo mein, chow mein. I don't even know the difference. I'm so sorry. But either way, it was good with soy sauce. I've tried them before with Alfredo sauce and I didn't like them because of the texture. But with something light, like maybe olive oil and some seasoning, like they're pretty good. So yeah, that's what I have for dinner, and I'm starving still. The struggles. Last night I was so hungry after I had that shake, but now that I'm back on it and I've taken such a huge break, it's like starting all over again, and it's like so much harder for me to get used to like the intermittent fasting and the keto and all that stuff. So I'm like extra hungry these last 2 days, but we're gonna keep going. I got a lot of compliments today how I look so much skinnier, so that keeps me motivated. So yeah, so I woke up with the craziest headache today. I was actually getting a headache last night, like around 11:30, 12. My head started to hurt a little bit, and today I woke up with a headache as well. So I know this is my body going through the withdrawals, the keto flu, because I was an entire week not doing keto, so you already know that's gonna hit me. But on the bright side, I got my coffee today for $1.85. That's crazy. So you know how I told you guys previously that you can get like just an iced espresso and add whatever milk? I ended up, instead of getting it quad, because I get 4 shots of espresso, I got it a triple, so that makes it a little bit cheaper. And I used my Cash App card. If you have Cash App, if you guys don't know Cash App is like where you send money, kind of like Venmo, but you can also order a card. So they'll send you like a debit card, kind of. It's kind of more like a prepaid card. So I have one of those, and if you use that, they have like boosts. So it's kind of like discounts. Yeah, hi. So they give you certain boosts and stuff like that for, like, I know they have for Chipotle, they have for Panera Bread, I think. They have like different restaurants. But one of the boosts is $1 off a coffee shop. So any coffee shop. It doesn't limit to Starbucks or anything. It's just any coffee shop. So my coffee this morning, instead of being $3.19 because I usually get a quad, I got a triple, so it turned out to be $2.85. But since I had that boost and I paid with my Cash App card, it took $1 off. So I got it for $1.85. That's crazy. A grande iced latte for $1.85. That's insane. Hi, dile bye. Hey, who's that? Wow. Tell him, dile, no. No. All right, guys. So, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to a boot camp class tonight. I don't know how I feel. I really should, but for sure we're gonna go on a walk today, and yeah. Good morning. It's weigh-in day. So I'm laying down on my bed. I'm actually waiting to leave to the mall. So as you guys saw, I didn't move. I stayed at a 173, which it's not that bad because I didn't vlog on the weekend last weekend because I was just not doing good. Like I was binge eating and all that stuff. So I didn't want to like show you guys what I was eating because it wasn't anything healthy. I didn't stick to the keto diet. Then I did really good Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday morning. And then on Wednesday night, I don't know, this week has been really hectic and really weird. It's been really hard for me to like get back on the diet and get motivated. I don't know why. I really wasn't going to include it, and I was thinking of maybe not uploading this week, but I don't know. I just owe it to you guys because I feel like you guys will, or whoever's watching can relate, you know, like when you fall off the wagon and it's just hard to get back on it. And just that's why most people just fall off and don't even keep going with a weight loss journey, just because they cheat once and they're like, it's just so hard to get back on. I don't know. So Wednesday night I didn't do good, and yesterday I didn't do good either. So I am hoping to start off today, Friday, on a good note. You know, just make better choices, and hopefully next week we can break this plateau, because I've been at 173 for 3 weeks already and it's just not moving. And Aria, ow, you pulled my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully next week I have better news for you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and join this little channel if you want to see me struggle to lose weight. And also beauty stuff. I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading any beauty stuff. I'm hoping that hopefully I'm gonna film a video today, like a beauty video for you guys. If you came on my channel just for the weight loss journey, then scratch that. But for those of you who do watch for my beauty videos and stuff like that, I am going to be uploading one perhaps this week, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.